Let's run a genuine page speed audit on one real page and apply every fix from this series, one at a time. This real page combines several genuine issues from across this series: unoptimized images, render blocking scripts, and unused JavaScript. This real script blocks the parser, adding defer. The fix from earlier in this series is the first real change. This one real attribute lets the browser keep parsing the real page while this script loads in parallel. This real, unoptimized hero image is genuinely the single largest file on the page. Converting to WebP and adding real size attributes fixes both the download size and the layout shift in one real change. A real, unused analytics library was shipping in full. Trimming it to only what's genuinely used saves real bytes. A real canonical tag, missing before, now consolidates ranking signal onto this one genuine URL. A real, honest, specific meta description now replaces the one Google was previously writing on its own. Every real fix here reused a technique this series already taught individually, combined on one real page. Every real change was small and surgical: an attribute, a format swap, a missing tag, no redesign required. That's the whole Google ranking series. Go make your own real site genuinely rank better.